Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday. It's a brand new month. It is now November 1st, so I hope all of you had a very safe Halloween Eve yesterday. I hope all of you had a good night. Make sure that you don't eat too much candy today. I know many of you probably brought it for your lunch today, but remember, just a couple of pieces. You don't have to eat a whole bunch of candy, so you can have it spread out and last you till Thanksgiving. So, morning announcements for today. November birthdays. I will start those tomorrow on Friday, November 2nd. We do have young Rembrandts that are happening today after school. And lunch choices for today is popcorn chicken bowl, along with cheeseburger or fun on the run. And today for our pause, I didn't want to take out students to help out with this today, just because I know everyone was very involved with their Halloween parties. So I found a really good video today to show you about play by the rules about positive behaviors on playgrounds to watch.
Hi, I'm Ms. Hernandez. I'm a playground supervisor. Here at our school, we have some rules and expectations about how everybody should behave on the playground. These rules make recess safer, better, and more fun for everyone. At our school, all the students know all the rules. So let's ask them to tell us about them.
Hi, I'm Kevin. A rule, keep your hands, feet, and objects to yourself.
Great, Kevin. That's right. Keep your hands, feet, and objects to yourself. And what's the reason for that rule?
Because it's safe.
School should be a safe place, and we need to behave in ways that keep ourselves and others safe from harm.
Hi, I'm Ariana. Use appropriate language.
Why is that a rule?
Because it's always disrespectful to say bad words, tease people, and call kids new names.
Good thinking. Always show respect and be courteous by using appropriate language.
Hi, I'm Cheyenne. Take care of school property.
Great. Why is that a rule?
Because you should always help be responsible for your school.
Excellent, Cheyenne. That's correct. Being responsible shows others that you're honest and grown up. So those are some very good examples of the B rules at our school. Can you guys name them again?
Be safe, be respectful, be responsible.
Excellent. And knowing the reasons for the rules makes it easier to know the right thing to do. Yeah, now who can tell me why that's important? Why we should... At our school, all the students know all the rules.
Only go down the slide, never up the slide.
That's right, Ben. Using the playground equipment correctly is safe, responsible, and respectful.
Nobody gets hurt and nothing gets broken.
Alright, that was a very short video about some great things about what you should do on the playground. So those things are very much like our pause. So make sure when you're out in the playground that you make sure you treat everybody with respect and make sure that you listen and are responsible. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you would please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure that you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
All right, thank you, boys and girls. Let's have a great day. It's the start of a new month. Remember, the choices are yours. Make great choices today, and you'll have a great day. I'll see you all very soon.